For coffee enthusiasts, the term Arabica coffee is nothing new to the ears. With its consistent sweet flavor, it's the perfect companion trip, especially in one of those rainy evenings. As the comparison goes, growing Arabica is far trickier than Robusta, making its prices higher than the latter. But that certainly does not stop people from enjoying the rich flavors in a cup of Arabica. Here are the health benefits of coffee Arabica. Nature offers benefits in the fruits that human eats, and it is no different in Arabica coffee. Here are some benefits of this coffee species. Protect the cells with the antioxidant compounds. Studies have indicated antioxidant properties in Arabica, such as phenolic acids, which helps protect cells in human from radical compounds that harm the body. Research suggests that drinking coffee decreases the risk of developing endometrial and liver cancer, and other types of cancer disease in the mouth, pharynx, and skin. Fights the bacteria in the mouth that caused cavities. One study found Arabica extract potential in inhibiting bacteria that live in the mouth called Lactobacillus acidophilus, which is known to cause cavities in the teeth. It is the presence of caffeine and chlorogenic acid in Arabica that helps fight the bacteria. Decrease the glucose. Arabica extract shows the capability of decreasing glucose in diabetic rats, according to a study, which makes it a potential anti-diabetic ailment to treat diabetes. Karlström, an associate professor of physiology from Sweden, saw an inverse relationship between Arabica intake and the reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Contain vitamins and minerals. It contains a small number of vitamins and minerals. According to Livestrong, an 8-ounce cup of brewed coffee includes 7 mg of magnesium, 0.6 mg of manganese, 0.5 mg of niacin and 0.2 mg of riboflavin, while a 3.5-ounce cup contains 1,348 mg potassium and 56 mg sodium in a data provided by Food Data Central. Low calories. In its natural state, no added milk or sweetener, Arabica contains 0 calories. This coffee is ideal if weight gain is the concern, but for people who want to spice it up for a creamier taste, using low-fat milk can be an alternative without dramatically amp up the calorie intake. Less hydration. Beverages other than water can get people thirsty fast, but despite Arabica's diuretic properties, it takes more than 5 cups of Arabica to hydrate a person. As mentioned in point 4, a high amount of potassium and lower sodium helps control the hydration and fluid balance aside from regulating blood pressure. The coffee beans have different grade quality. For a taste of premium, there are special varieties of Arabica that belongs to the gourmet category or known as gourmet coffee, which is cultivated in the regions of Guatemalan, Antigua, Ethiopian Sidamo, Colombian Supremo, and Tarazu. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch more videos from us.